Hey, what's up everyone? I wanted to hop on here, do a quick video do a review of this set of inspection mirrors that was just sent to me. I wanted to take the time, kind of well, there wasn't much of an unboxing. They did come in a plastic bag, so I just removed the plastic bag. So there's really not much there to unbox. But there is actually two sets in this particular set of inspection mirrors. There's I want to say this is about an 1.5 or 2-inch round inspection mirror, and then you've got this larger, I want to say it's about 2 inches by 1 inch inspection mirror, but it also has lights, and there's actually two LED lights here on the end, which this is actually the reason why I asked for the kit to be sent, was for these two little LED lights, so that you can actually inspect something in the dark. Now, they are telescoping. Here, let me see if I get them up telescoped out real quick. So they do actually telescope out really far. I want to say this is about 3 and 3.5 feet for each of them. And I do kind of use these because if you are... if you're working on a car, trying to find something behind a cabinet, and maybe my younger kids might throw a toy behind the cabinet. I can't quite get an arm back there, but I want to see where it is. This is 100% what's going to be what I'm going to be using. So I'm going to be using the full extension, and again using the mirror so that I can kind of see around a corner, and if it's dark, I'd say it's under a cabinet. I feel like this one's going to get a lot of use, again, because my kids like to throw things off the back of the TV stand, and they end up all the way in the back. I want to kind of see where they are, if they end up underneath, how far under, and, it's just parent life. But again, if you are a project car hobbyist, you can use these as well to kind of see around corners where you can't actually see. So you're going to use the mirror to make things a little bit easier. So case in point here, if I were to go, let's say behind my bookcase here, and I wanted to see where something was, I could use the light there, and I could actually look underneath using the inspection mirror to kind of, again, to see where, something that I lost. So this is kind of how that would be used. I mean, overall, these are really, really simple tools to have in the toolbox, but these are the sort of things that, like, you don't really think you need them until you need them. And because they are inexpensive enough, I would just pick up a set, keep one in the box, and then again, it might sit for 6 months, but then when you have to use it, you're going to be so glad that you did. So overall, that's why I recommend that people pick up a set of these. Hey, real quick, if you like what you see in this video and you want to purchase one for yourself, I've left links to everything here in the description. And if you want more no-nonsense, no BS product reviews, be sure to like and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell so you don't miss one.